Growing up in Kilkeel, there's lots of band parades locally and there's lots of Ulster-Scots activities going on too. Music is a big part of life. We do play music at home, usually on the weekends. We get the drums and flutes out and just start playing and stuff. I would say the best musician's probably me, because I play probably more instruments than mum and dad do.
Jasmine has always had an interest in music, right from she was young. Her dad and I both were in bands from we were basically her age. I played the flute and her dad played the drums, so that's probably why she ended up drumming.
When you first put on a Lambeg drum, all like the vibrations go through your body, and when you first play it sort of rings your ears and you have to hit it really hard to get the proper sound out of it. I think the Lambeg drum is musical because it takes a lot to learn all the rhythms off by heart. I have learned mostly all the tunes on the drum from ear. Learning how to read the drum scores is something I would like to do. Not being able to read the drum scores or any music at the minute doesn't really hold you back. I think a female should definitely win a Lambeg drum competition. It could be me, you'll have to wait and see. I play the snare drum in Pride of Ballinran Flute Band, which is a local melody band here in Kilkeel. I am the first female drummer in Pride of Ballinran.
From Jasmine has been 2 or 3 years of age, she was always dancing, tapping on tables, tapping out wee beats, and I knew someday she'd be a drummer. When she joined Ballinran Band, I was absolutely delighted.
You have to combine both the discipline and the musical side to it. Marching in a band is the best feeling, especially when you're in a location with a great crowd.
So 16 high caps again, left foot first. Don't forget your body turn on the final count. 5, 6,
I
7,
really love Highland dancing.
1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 2.
I started dancing when I was 3 years old and I've been dancing now for 12 years.
2 and stretch them.
I have been really lucky to be a part of the 2016 Belfast Tattoo and also doing a lot of high-class shows and performances and also competitions.
2, 2 and 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2.
To be a good dancer, you really have to have good timing and knowledge of music, and you also have to have good stamina and fitness too.
7, go.
Dancing and drumming, I can definitely see links between them, and that's why I think I'm quite good with rhythm and timing because they both link in very well. In the future, I can definitely see myself still drumming and dancing too.